I knew that I could build something that people would really love. I'm Matt Wood. I own Restoration Coffee in South Shore, Massachusetts. We offer a specialty coffee. We roast it in-house. We really try to build a community of coffee people. So at the very beginning of COVID, it turned into like a ghost town really quickly. We ended up closing for 2 days, strictly because we wanted to reformat the shop. It was actually nice being able to implement online ordering, and we still continue to use those systems. I knew that taking that hit of extra credit card fees and potentially not getting tips, that was a big thing for me and my employees, but it made it so that we could stay open. I think that just the fact that we're still here and we have 2 new locations since the pandemic started, I think that we're doing pretty well.